So, okay, right in there, but you kind of need something a little stiff to push on. Yeah, definitely not usable anymore. There we go. You can kind of see it popping up out of there a little bit. And then we'll get that bearing out so we can really repack that grease. It's easy to get inside it if you're not careful. All right, oil seal.